Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar. I also have the ukulele version up here. You guys can check out when it's out. But let's get started with learning this song. Alright, so this might be a little difficult if you're a beginner. This is more of a intermediate that I'm sure you guys can try and play this. So we're gonna do 4 chords here. First chord is gonna be a G minor 7. And I have the chords on the screen. So G minor 7. Okay. So we're not playing the second string or the last string, just the strings that we're pressing on. Second chord is going to be a C9. And what we're doing is moving our middle finger right there, pointer on here. So next chord is going to be an F major 7. So we're not playing the second string or the last string, and to help kind of mute the second string, if you're just strumming it like that, you're going to want it to kind of sound like just a dead string, like that. So when you have your pointer on the first fret here, you can bring it down to kind of touch the string, kind of press on it lightly, not too much to where you're making that note. So just there. And then when you strum it down, you might hear, you might not. If you guys can hear it. It's easier if you guys do finger picking though. Okay, that's the third chord. Now the last chord is going to be an A minor 7. And that one is going to be, what I like to do is place my pointer hitting the first fret of the 3rd, 4th, and 5th string. Your ring finger or middle finger on the 2nd fret up top, and then your ring finger is actually going to go right onto the what is this? The 4th? Is it 4th? Yeah, 4th string. So, and you're going to play that. It's a little difficult there. That is the A minor 7. So again, 4 chords: G minor 7, C9, F major 7, and A minor 7. Okay, so the chord progression for this goes G minor 7, C9, F major 7, F major 7, and then we're going to go G minor 7, C9, 7 to A minor 7. So the first line is going to be F major 7 twice. Alright, so the strum pattern that I like to use, I'm just following the beat of it. It's not really a full-on strum pattern. And all I'm doing is kind of like finger picking, just hitting the strings that I am pressing on. So So again, the chord progression: G minor 7, C9, F major 7, and F major 7, G minor 7, C9, F major 7, and A minor 7. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it helped you guys out. I know it was a little difficult with the chords. But thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos that I got here. But I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.